Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today I'm going to share some proven strategies on how you can make $10,000 a month on YouTube. If you've been dreaming of turning your passion into a lucrative career, this video is for you. First things first, you need to find your niche. Choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has a dedicated audience. Whether it's gaming, beauty, tech reviews, or cooking, there's an audience out there for every niche. Next, consistency is key. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Whether you're uploading once a week or 3 times a week, make sure you're consistently putting out high-quality content that your audience will love. Invest in your equipment. While you don't need the most expensive gear to start, having good quality audio and video equipment can make a big difference in the production value of your videos. Now let's talk about monetization. There are several ways you can make money on YouTube, including ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. But remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and refining your strategy, and eventually you'll reach that $10,000 a month milestone. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.